Hi guys, for today's video, we are gonna be playing Bed Wars for the first time. And this is a custom match, I think. Hero? What is a hero? What is this? I only know the item shop, but I don't know this. Guys, what is good? Let me try the dagger. Slice swiftly and slice swiftly a nimble dagger. Let's try the wood great hammer. Oh, it's leather armor. Oh, this looks cool. That's cool actually. I have no gloves. No, I fell. Should I go on third person? Let's try first person. Still hard. I like Iron Down. I think it's I've watched Bed Wars videos before, and that's why I know. Shopa. Oh, I just fell. We killed each other. I got 5 kills. Oh. Oh, I'm good at bridging third person. Yes. This white armor. It's iron armor, not white armor. It's better than the poop armor. I like Bed Wars. I'm liking Bed Wars right now. What is this? Ball? Oh, I know this. I think if you throw this at someone, you will swap it down. What is this? Mass hammer? Is this? Let me get nice. You can teleport back to base. Yes, click the hole. Oh, like the house thing. What is this? It's like little pots. Did I do it? What's cool? Let me try this big hammer on you. What is happening? Oh, I killed you! Yay! What is like a boot? It's called jump boots. What is this? I think it's from the kits. I think it's from the Oh, that's a great bow. That is crossbow. Is the good, guys? Let's try third person. Oh, I feel comfortable. I don't know. Oh! I just killed you again. I am not leaving. Fall to the ball. I'm just clicking the sword. The giant hammer. That is good. I can't hit the Where are you at, bro? Don't tell me that you're hiding. What is It's Lucky Bro. It's Lucky Blocks.
It's trash.
Phil. I got what is 14 diamond. I know the bedwars in Minecraft, but not here. Yes. Where's the?
It's trash.
Maybe you're just unlucky. Knockback. Red. Now I'm ending this already. Where's your bed? I'm just doing I'm lagging. I can't make your bed. Yes, sir. Where are you? You're in your bed. Oh! No! No! I'm gonna die. No! Oh, we just killed each other. Let's just go here and I need more eggs because I just died to you. No, you're not. You literally killed me. into the void. No! No! I survived to you like. How are you hacking? To be honest, I don't like hackers. Then why are you hacking? Nah, I'm getting stuck. I need to kill you. It's a big robot. You don't know what a robot is, bro. I need to kill you now. It's weird. I got a diamond down. Bye bye guys, that's it for today's video. Bye, like and subscribe.